Hey guys, it's Mark here from CompECS, and amongst the services, of course, that we provide include application assistance for the Assisted Living Waiver Program or the ALWP, and we provide that application assistance for licensed facilities. So there's a good chance, if you're one of our clients, that we've directed you to this tutorial where we're going to cover four kind of pieces of information or four steps. So in order to do the application, we need several documents from you as the facility, many of your facility documents. So what we use, many of you have heard of Dropbox. Well, we use a program. It's an online service called Box, and it creates a shared file between your company and ours so that you can upload all of your documents and then we can access those documents and vice versa. So on the tutorial today, I'm going to cover basically four steps. Um, when we create, and the good news is we pay for that service, so it doesn't cost anything for you as the client. It's part of your service fee to us. So the first thing that we do is we create a shared folder with either your name or your company's name. And once we set that up, you're going to receive an email with an invitation to Box and the shared folder. So, one, we're going to show you how to check your email, how to accept the invitation, and then we're going to show you how to create an account by using a password so that you can access it in the future so that you don't have to upload all of your documents in one sitting. You can kind of go back, do a little bit more, etc. And then I'm also going to give you a short tutorial on how to create a bookmark with that web page so that you can come back to it easily as you need to. And then lastly, we're going to show you how to actually upload a document into the shared file. So starting with that, guys, once we at our end, we create the folder in Box with your name on it, you will receive an email. So let me show you. Let's go to, oops, let me see. So you should be able to see now again, this would be oops, I'm sorry, this is the wrong one. Let's try that again. Um, so you should start off by seeing basically in your email, okay, where it says, again, the email is from Mark Lung. Well, that happens to be me. And it says, Mark Lung has invited you to collaborate on Box, right? Box is the name of the online service. So when I open that email, it's going to look something like this. Mark Lung of Mark.Lung at CompECSNet invited you to collaborate on. And then since this is a sample, I already created a folder called, now I use the date. So this is April 1st of 2026 sample folder. And so when you scroll down, I'm going to click on accept invite. And then that's going to actually open that's going to take me online to Box. And what I need to do is I need to set up this free account. Okay. So the full name in this case, I'm going to call it Comp ECS. That's my company name, but you're going to type in your business address, right? The business email. Let's see, first and last name required. So let's call it Comp and ECS. There we go. Business email address I've already used for this sample. I've already used our business email address of info@compecs.net. And then I'm going to create a password. I want to choose my own password, but you create whatever you want. So we're going to call this sample. And then we'll use today's date, which is 040126. All right. And so that's so the password that I used was sample with a capital S, sample 040126. It's going to ask me to confirm that. So again, it's going to be sample 040126. and then we're going to put my phone number. Now, in this case, because I already have my own account, I'm going to use our business phone number, okay, which is 714 402 4127. Okay. I do not live in Europe and I agree to Box's terms of services. So once I've done that, okay, I'm going to click on submit and yeah, sure. Let's go ahead and save that. So we were sent a confirmation email. Okay. So now I'm going to go back to my email address or my email box. So there you can see there's a login. So please complete your box sign up. So I'm going to log in, click on login. I'm going to allow. And there it is, guys. So 040126 sample folder, that's the name of the folder. Okay. And if I click on that folder, this is how I upload boxes. Okay. So you can see that my name, these are the various different people that have access to this box. So you're going to see my name, Mark Lung. You're going to see my wife's name and my daughter's name, Rose and Catherine Lung, because they assist me as part of the process, okay, in the in with the applications. And so the next thing that I want to show you guys, so now I've set up the account, okay, I know how to get there. Let me see if I can move some things around here. So if I log out, it's going to take me to the sign in. So this is where I sign in. This is the website where I want to, and it's account.box.com login. Now, what I want to do, guys, I actually want to create a bookmark for this. So the easiest way to create, so that I can come back to this login page quickly and easily. So if I scroll to if I look to the far right, you see this little arrow right here? This is my bookmarks arrow. So I'm going to save it as box login and we're going to put it on my bookmarks bar. I click done. Okay. So you can see right here, now I've created a bookmark. So at any time I can easily click on that. It'll take me right back here, give me the email address, right? Which is the login for my box account. I know that I already saved my password, but just in case, it's capital SAMPLE 040126. That's my login. I click on login and it takes me right back into my box, right? And I'll click on the sample folder because I want to now upload. I'm going to show you guys how to upload documents right into my folder. So one of the easiest ways is I can click on the upload button. There's two ways to do it. I want to click on and I want to upload a file. And so it's going to show me my various different files. And I'm going to go to, for example, just my templates. Let's say I wanted to upload from there. And let's say I have all these documents that I need to send to Mark. So I'm going to take the activity calendar sample and I'm going to double click on that. And it's going to upload it right into my box. So there it is, guys. It's really that simple, as easy as uploading into the box. Now, another way of doing it, and I'm not sure if this will let me share, if it'll let me share two screens, but another way of doing it is I can kind of reduce this box and I can click and drag. Let's say I have another document. I can actually click and drag it into the folder and then I just let go of it and it uploads the document. Okay. So once you have once you've uploaded all the documents that you want to upload, then I now, from my end, whether it's me or my wife, Rose, or my daughter, Catherine, we can access your documents. All right. I hope this was helpful. Let me stop sharing. I hope this was helpful. Obviously, if you ever have any questions, feel free to reach out to us.